All horses are different. They all got different temperaments. You know, you got some calm ones and you got some ones that are wired different. They're like people. There's no really set way on each horse. I'm Dee Keener from Inola, Oklahoma. I'm half Cherokee Indian and really proud of it. And I'm a horse trainer. I train paints and quarter horses. And I used to rodeo for a living. I grew up right here in Inola, Oklahoma. My whole life has been around horses. My dad was a horse trainer and he roped. My great-grandpa was a jerk-down steer roper. I was scared of horses, actually, you know, and never really did do anything, but kind of got the bug at 9 years old and went to riding and roping. And I'd get off the bus and my mom would be there ready to turn out cattle for me. I mean, and we'd rope every day, you know. That's our life, you know, horses. When we moved here, there was nothing here. I mean, we built all this stuff and we cleared it off and built it all. Horses come here and they're unbroke. We do all the groundwork, getting them broke to ride. We train them on my track here, getting them going, you know, galloping and putting the miles on them. And then gate breaking them here, and then we'll send them off to the track. It's a long process, you know, it's an everyday deal. I actually really trained quarter horses, but I had a couple paints that did pretty good, made a lot of money, and people just started sending them to me, you know, and I've really got more. And I've got actually it's probably a split stable now, half and half. But I like the paints. There are quarter horses with spots, a lot of them. We've got a horse right now that we've raised and we've bred him, and we're pretty proud of him. He was the world champion 2-year-old running paint. PHQ, Goodbye Earl. PHQ is Paint Horse Queens. My wife and another lady started this group, just them two, and they own 6 or 7 horses every year. I mean, we started him from a baby. I mean, my wife, she's the kind of the thought process of what to breed the mare to, and we bred to this horse, and you know, we foaled him out and everything and broke him from ground up, you know. He had 12 outs, and he won 2 fraternities, and he made right around 130,000. So it's pretty neat to see one do good, you know, when you do all that. So we're hoping for more this year. The racing season begins at Remington Park in March. March 10th, he'll run in a derby trial at Remington Park. Last year, he left the gate pretty good. At first, he was kind of, you know, really didn't leave very good, but at the end, he got to leaving really good. He's kind of ornery too, you know, so he wants to bite you or kick you or do something. When you take him out in the morning, he wants to play around and, you know, really not get down to business, but when the lights come on for the actual race, he's good. Yeah, he knows his job. I tell you what, I tell a lot of people. I look at a lot of the conformation of a horse, how, you know, if they're built right, and mainly breeding. You know, a lot of these horses, you know, bred to run. My philosophy, each and every one of them is different, you know, and you got to treat them different. If a horse can't run, I'll tell you can't run. I mean, I'm honest with them. I mean, that's what I think kind of maybe sets me apart. This is a Keener in Cherokee. My dad is a full-blood Cherokee. My grandparents, they spoke Cherokee, and I'm really proud of my Cherokee heritage. You'll see this everywhere with me. I mean, it's on my horse blinkers, it's on everything. My saddle towels at Remington Park, it's branded on my horses. That's what's kind of cool about it too. I mean, you got a lot of people that, they ask what it is, and, it's pretty neat, with it being Cherokee,
Off streak at 350 yards here.
Honey, how you doing today?
Freight train X. On the outside will be PHQ, Goodbye Earl.
Been doing it long enough now that I'm really not that nervous. I mean, used to be, but I'm not really nervous anymore. I'm usually watching right there, in the grandstand there watching. He breaks, come on. Come on.
Start by Ivory.
Come on, Earl.
On top by almost a full length early on. Outside PHQ.
Come on, Earl. Come on.
Is second to the inside Cherokee.
Come on.
Trying to keep up.
Come on, Earl.
100 yards left. It's all Ivoriona here.
We run good.
Inside Ivoriona, outside.
We just want to qualify. And I think we did. I mean, we'll be good. Well, I thought the horse ran good. He broke good and ran straight and ran hard, and he should be a qualifier, should be second fast qualifier. And that's really all we want to do, just get in the finals. Horse left good, and I didn't really make no mistakes. I mean, the horse that beat him is just a runner. I mean, that's a good mare. He's battled with her all last year, but it'll be a good race in the finals. I mean, I think we'll be even tougher in the finals. Yeah. I like the Western way of lifestyle. I'm my own boss. My whole life has been around horses. That's our life, horses. Even today, and way back when.